Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahrukh and in this video I am going to talk to you about present indefinite negative sentences. This video is going to be in English language, which means that I am going to talk to you in English language um, instead of Hindi language. Why? You would say, well, sir, why are you speaking to me in English language? I don't know how to speak English. I don't understand English. I'm a beginner. I don't know English grammar. Well, that's a valid question from you guys. But the reason I am making this video is just that I want you to learn by listening. If you listen anybody carefully, you will understand that thing instantly. Means if you want to learn to speak English fluently, and if I am talking to you in English language, so you listen to me carefully and you will learn a lot about English speaking. I have another videos on my YouTube channel English Ka Teacher 94 and in that videos I have already talked about present indefinite tenses, but that video is all about whiteboard, me using a marker, doing all the stuff as a teacher for telling you about tenses, and that's also in Hindi language. If you want to see that video, you can visit my channel, subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, press the bell icon. But especially this video, this kind of video I'm making in English language because this is one of the best ways to learn to speak English fluently. If you want to learn to speak English fluently, you just watch somebody who can speak in English language and you will understand English instantly. Okay. Anyways, the topic today is present indefinite tenses negative sentence. Negative means in that sentence I will use not, N-O-T. Okay. So negative sentence is all about negativity. Means you don't do something. Now, for example, so how to use this sentence? Present definite affirmative sentence means, for example, I go to school. I go to school. So we use subject and we use verb go, then we use object to school. I go to school. So that is a present indefinite affirmative sentence. I go to school. He goes to school. She cooks food in the kitchen. Mother goes to temple. Father goes to mosque. And we go to market, we go to picnic, and so on, blah blah blah. They are all present indefinite sentence, but today it is going to be negative sentence. Okay, so what is the rule and what is the structure for making negative sentences as we are learning present indefinite negative sentence? So the structure is, first we use the subject. What is the subject? Subject is I, he, she, it, this, that, you, we, they. These are all subjects. Okay. So these are all subjects. Then we use do or does. We use do or does. Then we use not. Okay. So how do we find out? So there is a word do or does. Now it is a confusion that what should be used, do or does. So let me clarify that when the subject is I, you, we, they, we use do not in the negative sentence. Or when the subject is he, she, it, this, that, singular subject, we use does not. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, let me repeat. I, you, we, they, plural subject, do not, and he, she, it, this, that, singular, does not. Okay. Then we use verbs first form and then we use object, and this is going to be our present indefinite tenses negative sentence. Okay. For example, I use subject I. So I, with I we use do not. So I do not like mango. I do not like mango. It's a sentence where I'm telling you I do not like mango. I never eat mango. Then somebody gives me mango, I never eat it because I do not like it. It's a negative sentence. Okay, it's a present indefinite tense negative sentence. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. You are understanding what I'm telling you right now. So I don't like mango. Another example is we use the subject. So the subject we use do not as well. Okay, we do not go to Delhi. We do not go to Delhi. Subject we, then we use do not, then we use verbs first form go. We do not go to Delhi. Object we do not go to Delhi. Okay, it's another example of present indefinite negative sentencing. Okay, we do not go to Delhi. It means we do not go to Agra. We don't like to go to Agra. I don't like it. I don't like Taj Mahal. It's a negative sentence. I don't. Okay, if you want to go, you say I go to Delhi. I go to Delhi every month because I like Taj Mahal. But in negative, I don't like go to Agra. I don't like to watch Taj Mahal, and so on. It could be anything. Okay. Another example is one more subject is so we have worked with I, we. Now we are going to use you. Okay. You. Okay. So you, and then we use do not, because also you we use do not. Okay. You do not learn. You do not learn the lesson. You do not learn the lesson means this is going examination going on this month, and you have to perform well in the examination, but you are not learning your lesson. In present indefinite tense, you say you don't learn your lesson. You do not learn your lesson. That's a very bad thing. If you do not learn in the lesson, if you do not learn the lesson for the examination, you will fail. You will never make it happen. You will never pass the examination. Okay. So you do not learn the lesson. Now we have used we, I, you, we. Now we are going to use he, she, it. All the subject that we use with does not. Okay. First is he. He is used for boy or man. She is used for girl or woman. Okay. He is a male version and she is a female version. Okay. So for example, he, we use he and does not. He does not. He does not. Okay. No? So he does not play football. 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 He doesn't like football. He never plays football. Okay. So that is how you make the sentence present indefinite negative sentence. Another example is we use she. So she does not cook food. She does not cook food. She does not cook food in the kitchen. That's also another example for present indefinite negative sentence. Okay. So I hope you understand everything what I've told you right now. I have talked to you in English language. I tried my best, and I think you are getting my point and you are understanding everything what I'm telling you in this video, because I'm using simple English language to talk to you. So this is how you are going to learn to speak English fluently. So I hope you love the content. I hope you love the video. So if you like the channel, and if you are new at the channel, subscribe my channel, watch the video, watch the other videos on my channel that I have uploaded before. Visit my channel, like the video, share the video, press the bell icon, and I will see you with a new video on a new topic in the next video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video.